Hello there, reading nerds. I am your host, James. If your bedroom seems a bit small and not very exciting, you are lucky to make it feel more free and creative. You are in the right place. Today, we are talking about bohemian bedroom design, which is like bringing the feeling of a tropical vacation into your room. Imagine being a beautiful beach, feeling the warm sun, and swinging in a hammock. We want to bring that kind of vibe into your sleeping space. Let's go through some boho bedroom ideas together, keeping it easy to understand. Printed and colored boho bedrooms. Let's start by adding some tropical touches to your room. Think of fun prints and bright colors that remind you of a vacation. You can use bedding, pillows, curtains, wall art, or wallpaper with a tropical theme. And don't forget to add some real or fake plants like palm trees to bring a bit of nature inside. Sunny yellow. Next, let's talk about using sunny shades of yellow. Yellow is a happy and warm color that can make your room feel inviting and cozy. You can use it a little bit or a lot, depending on what you like. Mix it with other colors like blue, green, or pink for a playful and colorful look. Boho blue bedroom. Now, let's create a calming blue bedroom with a boho style. Blue is soothing color that can make your room feel peaceful. You can use different shades of blue like navy or sky blue and mix them with white, beige, or grey to make it look balanced. Add some boho style items like macrame or wood for a unique touch. Calming neutrals. Moving on, let's talk about using calming neutral colors. Colors like white, cream, beige, or grey can make your room feel big and open. You can add a bit of color with green, pink, or orange, and bring in some nature with plants, flowers, or stones. It's all about making a simple and stylish boho retreat. Modern boho style. Our last stop is the modern boho style bedroom. Picture simple furniture like a platform bed or a dresser for a modern room. Add some boho style things like a woven rug or a macrame wall hanging to make it stylish and eclectic. You can mix and match colors, patterns, and textures to make it look just how you want. Wrapping up our journey through boho inspired changes. Remember, there's a boho bedroom style for everyone. Be creative, try different things, and let your inner bohemian spirit shine. For more boho ideas and fun projects, check out readingnerd.com and subscribe for some decorating